Hello po, andito na naman po ako mag-deliver sa daily message niyo po. By the way, everyone, I posted a prayer po, miracle prayers po. Gusto ko niya lang ipaabot sa inyo, no? Gusto ko lang to let you know, no, na ipaalam sa inyo na those prayers po, please check it out. Kasi yung prayers na po yun yung nagbibigay sa akin ng ano talaga ako, sinagot talaga ako ni Lord yung prayers na yan. So may dalawang prayers po ako dyan i-post, and sana po panuorin nyo po yung, or tingnan nyo po yung post ko po na pinosted ko po. And I hope that the prayers din po, no, na sana makatulong din sa inyo. Kasi yung prayer for the difficulties with the Sacred Heart, sinagot talaga ako ni Lord Jesus niyan, Secret of Jesus. 2 answered prayers ang nakuha ko dyan. So, gusto kong i-share sa inyo po na baka these prayers will also help you as well po. So, kung yun nga lang po, yung pagpipray niyan po is ano ka talaga, mag-persevere ka lang po talaga. Kasi, only for praying 1 or 2, hindi po talaga sasagutin po ikaw. So, persevere lang po, continue lang po ba, galing talaga sa puso po, at saka yung intention nyo po ay maganda. Hindi po yung kasi, I promise you, the prayer of difficulties of the Secret of Jesus, sinagot talaga ako ni Lord yan. Hanggang ngayon, pinipray ko pa yan. I stop only pray that one kasi may pinipray ako ng ibang prayers. I stop praying that one recently only. Kasi gusto kong ipipray yung iba na mga ibang prayers. Na i-share ko naman po sa inyo kung alin po yung mga prayers na sinagot ako ni Lord, and even Mama Mary. So, I have 2 prayers there that I posted na hopefully po makakatulong din po sa inyo. So, check it out please, everyone. Okay, let's begin your reading. Okay, your message for today. Learn to ride the waves of life. When faced with difficult times, you can either fight against the current or go with it. So ask yourself, what is to be gained by depleting your energy fighting against it? Don't do that to yourself. Be kind to yourself naman, everyone. Alam ko naman na we all the same boat, na if we are going through with life, no, sa mga problema natin, wala talaga, if it's out of our hands, wala tayong magawa. We'll just have to go with the flow, and manalig na lang tayo, wala tayong magawa eh. Manalig na lang tayo ng Diyos, sa Diyos, no, na everything will be okay. Na even though facing, no, sa mga difficulties times, no, nandyan naman si Lord, alam naman ni Lord. So, ito po yung message nyo. Okay, so, I hope you enjoy this reading. I hope you can resonate this message. And yeah, I'll see you in my next reading, everyone. Bye for now.